Lesson 4.2, the angle measures of triangles. When we take a triangle and we just tear off the corners, we could arrange those three, and the three corners are the angles. We could arrange them such that they would create a straight line. So we look here, there's the nice straight line. So that leads us to this triangle sum theorem, and it basically states that all three of the interior angles, the inside angles, A, B, and C inside, those three angles add up to 180. That allows us to find any missing angle measure. So looking at our first example, we want to find angle C. So I know 43 plus 85 plus the measure of angle C equals 180. Subtract 128. So the measure of angle C equals 52. A corollary is basically just something that can be easily proven using theorems, and this corollary is just that if one of my angles is 90 degrees, it just means the other two are complementary, so they add up to 90. So specifically, if we have a right triangle, the other two angles are complementary, add up to 90 degrees. So I have ABC. I'm just going to redraw them over here. A, B, C. And I have A, B, D. And A, B, D. Suppose ABD is 35 degrees, so that's this one up here. Find DAB. Alright, so DAB, we're looking at this triangle down here. Measure DAB is going to be plus 35. It's going to equal 90. So the measure of DAB was 55. Find the measure of BCD. BCD. Okay, which is really the same as this angle up here, BCA, because I just didn't draw this down. Right, I just didn't put that in there. So it's still that little angle there. So I have DAB, which is 55. So BCD is going to be plus that one, which I just found. It's going to equal 90 degrees. Okay, so you have some to try there. Get 3, so pause the video and try those. I have right angles here. So I can find the measure of angle A. It's going to equal 90 minus 50 for the small triangle. And now I have the large triangle. Okay, so that works with the interior angles. Now we're going to work with what's called the exterior angles. The angles formed if you extend the three original sides. Okay, they are next to the interior. So if I have those exteriors there and I highlight my interiors again, you see they're right next to. Okay, and we just usually show one exterior angle at each side. Okay, so the measure of an exterior angle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent interiors. So the one not attached, the two that are not attached, if you add those together, that'll give you the exterior angle. So here's our example. I'm trying to find the exterior angle 1. And I have the two non-adjacent. Okay, so go ahead and try those three. Okay, once again, the assignment is posted on Schoology in our concept track. How are the measures of the interior angles and exterior angles of a triangle related? The measure of an exterior angle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. And I also want to just mention one other thing that we didn't mention earlier, and that is if we would draw triangle with angle 1 being an exterior and angle 2 being an interior, the exterior plus the adjacent interior equal 180. So the sum of an exterior angle and the adjacent interior angle is 180. Okay, this concludes 4-2.